Hi everyone, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. Hope you all are well and subscribe my channel. If not, so just do it now. Friend, today morning I got this product from AliExpress. This is a ring light. So in this video, first I like to unbox this product, then I will discuss about the product quality and others. So let's start the video. So friends, now I like to open this product. So I'm going to cut this one. Okay. Inside nothing. So they sent me extra tools. Here you can see the ring light. The size of this ring light is 22 centimeter and the price is $11.94. You will find this product link in this video description. Here you can see some button. So I like to test this ring light first. So here you can see this is USB type. So I like to use my power bank to test this ring light. Here you can see red light is turned on. Here you can see the light is now on. I can decrease the brightness of this light and also increase with this arrow button, up button. So this is the highest, and if I press again, this is the lowest. So now I like to show you one example of this light brightness. So I'm going to add this one. So friends, now I like to test this ring light brightness and color so that you can understand the quality of this ring light. So first I like to show you the control button. Here you can see the control button. You can control ring light brightness, color from this control button. So here is the ring light power on and off button. This is the brightness increase. Here you can see plus symbol. This is the decrease button, and you can change the light color from this button. So if I first I like to decrease. Okay, it is already decreased, so I like to increase the brightness of this light. So here you can see brightness is increasing. This is the highest brightness of this ring light, and if I decrease, Here you can see light brightness is decreasing. So if I change the bright ring light color, here you can see, if I press this button, here you can see this is the another ring light color. If I press this button, then the color is also changing. Here you can see color is changing. So in this way you can increase, decrease, change the light color of this ring light. So I'm really satisfied. If you want to know more details about this ring light, or if you want to purchase this ring light, you'll find the ring light product link in this video description. So I hope now you know the quality and others of this ring light, and I hope you also like this video. If so, give me a thumbs up, and if you want more video of this channel, then please click the subscribe button with the bell icon so that you can get quick notification when I upload a new video on this channel. So thank you for watching this video. Please stay safe and be happy. See you in the next video.